Hello everybody, welcome back to Fly High. I'm Florin and today I have a great pleasure to present you a new website shop. Well, this is the first push I made and I will show you the product and how well was packaged, if it's any damage or not, if it's worth or not to buy on this website. This is a new shop. It's making now advertising on Facebook and all Googles and everywhere. It's showing up to me and I want to show you exactly my first push. This is not sponsored by no one, so this is made by my expense and I'm going to tell you exactly the feeling I have about this push. If any product from here are anything wrong with or was something suspicious, I'm going to tell you exactly the feeling. It was delivered by this company Dow. It was very good package because they put this package over and leave it in front of the door. So if it's in case of it's raining or something, my package was a little bit better protection. So the delivery company here in my country where I'm filming right now in Denmark, it was going to do these bags, so they protect this in case it's raining. Actually it's raining outside now. And let's see and open if it's really worth or not to buy on this new shop, TEMU. I hope I didn't say wrong. No, it's TEMU. I didn't use that much in the last few days. The delivery was very fast, in only 10 days. Less time than I expected. And the free shipping I got in this time. So I want to see if I got all my products in. Let's open and see what is inside, if anything of the package are damaged or not. Because I was searching on internet a little bit about the order and it came from Sweden. So I think this app holding a warehouse in Sweden and is the place where they are sending the products from. So it's a first test push I made. This is let me check if it's anything intact on it. Yeah, I was expecting to be a little bit bigger. This is a button, so I can use one of my projects. This actually looks very good. It fits here. I think it should go this way, and then I can connect whatever I need. This actually I order. It's intact, have no problem, no damage. So the first product I've been buying, it's very perfect. It works with no problem so far. Let's see the second one. What do I got? Well, this looks not to be damaged also. It looks to be... It's not very well packaged actually, but they are here. This is a voltmeter that let me adjust some power from 40 volts to less depending on my needs. For example, if I want to use a battery from Makita or from my tools that are 80 volts, I can adjust to 12 or 10 or 9 depending on my use I need. So actually this, it should work. It's coming with the it's just something that I ordered, so it's not a sponsor. They didn't give me this for free. This is another box I'll open later. I ordered two of them. Let me see if they are intact or having any damage on it. I'm really curious to see that because they are plates and can be very broken if they are not packaged well. And they are not really, like you see, they are coming in this plastic bag only. And they can be very easily broken. So actually if anyone from this brand company or whatever they are try to make something a little bit more protected in case of something, because the delivery was cheap, maybe, I don't know, because I got the free shipping, and so I don't know, it's worth. The best thing I like about this is they have a little bit higher price than AliExpress. For example, they have almost the same product but not all that variety from the AliExpress. But the thing is, I can see all my products are coming in the same bag. For example, if I order the same products from AliExpress, I'm expecting to pay delivery for each of them separately, and whatever if they have or not, free shipping the AliExpress. But the thing is, it's they come in different days. Depends. Sometimes they can get loose on the shipment because they come directly from China. But this one get from Sweden, so it was very close to us and came very fast. This one more bag. This and that's it. Okay. This I'm going to open this and see the situation of this, if it's impact or an issue. This is for my girlfriend. We want to use to make some food with. It's to make I don't know how to call this. It's sorry for my English, but looks very strong, the iron, and the quality of course is not they are not a factory of this product. They are just selling them in Europe, I think, in America, if I read that well. Last year they start there and this year they start in Europe. So actually this looks very good and the quality looks to be very okay. Actually it doesn't have any suspicious to be bad or yeah, this is okay. There I have oh no way, I didn't expect to get so many. Actually this one is the same, almost the same, is the switch, so you can use also for the electric stuff, like oh, they are the same key, all the, I think so. They are switch I want to use for some of my projects, and I like the idea to having a switch, not like a button, and to have it with a key. It's a little bit smart. They are not very big, but yes, you take it on green and you take it also on red. I don't know if you can switch or not. No, you have, it's working. So I was thinking you can also switch with a screwdriver or something, but no, they are actually working, and I think they are almost all the same. They look to be the same, so you have a lot of extra key. I didn't expect to get I think I didn't read well, and they sent 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So they have sent 5 pieces of this. Actually I'm really happy because I need these switches for different my projects in a garage, and yeah, I like the idea because they can be for electric stuff. Yeah, and let's see what I got here. What did I order extra? I know what. Let me open it. Okay. I'm gonna use a key. Come on. Perfect. Ta-da! This is plastic, but I'm interested about this tree and this clamp. Okay, I'm going to put this one down. This is going well. This is a 3-arm that I need for my project when I'm welding 2 wires or different, so I don't need help for like another man or someone help me with. Actually there are 4, but there are 3 here. That's a little bit weird, but I think, let me check if everything is in here. Yeah, I think so. This one is going like this, and then this one is going like this. Okay, so we can adjust on our needs, I think. Something like this, and I can put it here. Okay, now I can okay, this is made only full of plastic. They don't look very good quality. I was thinking maybe it was better to buy the iron one with only 3 arms. Okay, I cannot actually screw more, but I hope it's enough. Yes, and okay, let's make it like this. It looks a little bit poor quality, but like I said, that it's not them who have been producing them. And oh, hey, no way, no way, no way. Can go like this again, then can pull it back. I don't know how. Yes, it has to go like this. They are a little bit poor quality. This you have an extra one. Yes. For example, if I want to connect two wires, then I'm going to. Okay, that's weird. They are making this noise, I think, because they are new. Actually, and I can do like this. It's just an example. And I can adjust like this. And can work here, so they can hold for me whatever I need to be. It's good because they are very long and adjustable. Anyway, I'm not here to talking about the products. Anyway, I'm very proud and happy with all this Porsche, and I'm definitely sure I'm going to search more products, and I hope if they are looking on my video, hope they are gonna give more products category and bring more products here in Europe, so we have more variety of the product. They already have a lot of products. The price is a little bit high, but the fact they give free shipping, at least I got now, and it's still available in my app right now. I don't know how long we're gonna be like this, but for me it's very happy to buy this stuff because I get all of them in the same order, not to get like on AliExpress, Banggood, or the Asia shopping. If you buy from them, then you have directly to the factory. It's like that. They are, I think. And yeah, like I said, I'm happy with this. The price are okay, acceptable, and the quality is not made by them. So if you want to share anything about this, tell me in the comments. I wish you to have a good luck with this. Make sure you put the right address when you complete that, so the delivery company will do it for you, the correct delivery, and not return to them. In case you need any returning, it's in Sweden. At least this is information I got for my order because I'm living here. I don't know the other ones who lives and where they should deliver it back in case you have any wrong issue with the product's quality or anything. So yeah, actually this app, I'm going to use it for future push, and I'm going to find what the products I need, and I wish you good luck with. Thank you again for watching on my video, and I hope you like my opinion about this. I don't know what else I should say about it. If you want to know more about this app or my opinion, please leave me a comment and tell me whatever you want to know about this, and I'm going to update with details in description, so read that too, and press button of like, subscribe, and see you soon with the next feature video.